Good morning everyone. Welcome back. So today we're in Sebokeng. We're going to quickly install Benjamin's gate motor. So first things first, we don't have a proper gate guide bracket. We'll have to attend to that. Your August winds is obviously going to prevent it from sliding in nicely. One of the other things is the gate rollers. I've already cut the one off because it's not free running. You just turn around like that. So we've had two brackets. Again, you can see that this roller, it's spinning freely, but it's just welded there. Small bolt. We've quickly cleaned the rail out, and there's no stopper on the back of this track. This means there's no preventing of the gate from falling over onto a child. We need to start regulating this industry, but up until that time, when we do installations, let's make sure that we do it properly. It is the gate motor installer's problem to make sure that the installation is safe at all times. We have a big concrete slab here and it's not level, so we're just going to create a platform and then weld in a piece of steel, square tubing or rectangular, that will give us the platform to mount the gate motor on. So let's see how the installation goes. So guys, we've extended the gate guide bracket, so the gate can now smoothly move into its closed position. Then we've fitted new bolts onto the rollers, secured with spring washers. Then we fitted a proper stopper here at the back of the steel sliding gate. Make sure it's a proper stopper. Needs to stop this gate when it's running at speed. Right here we've cut out a slot into the concrete. We've prepared the whole area. We're now going to weld a rectangular tubing onto the steel post. We're going to secure it with a steel flat bar there. We'll look how sturdy it is. If it needs more, we'll add some more bolts into the ground to make sure that our platform is sturdy and that our gate motor cannot move at any point during the operation of the steel sliding gate. So before we run off too quickly with the installation, we've welded the rectangular tubing into position. We've welded two supports on the back side and then bolted the one down. We've also welded it down there. Let's see if it's focusing. That's level. And now what we've done is we've placed the steel base plate with the gate motor onto the rectangular tubing. Got it right, spot welded it into position. Now we're going to weld the steel base plate down properly. Make sure you remove these plastics, because if you weld like we weld, they will just melt away. Right, let's quickly do that. What we've also done is we've burned a hole in the rectangular tubing in order to bring our electrical supply cable through to the whole system. That's it. Just to quickly show you, we've welded it down steel base plate of the gate motor. One continuous welding stroke. So the gate motor is secured. You replace the guide, bolts and nuts, and now we can mount the gate motor. So the gate motor has been bolted down properly using all of the supplied bolts, and then the earth wire is then secured on the right hand side bolt. And the sun is starting to catch us, but if we look again here at the gate motor and the steel sliding gate, both of them are parallel. So if your gate track is cast askew, doesn't matter as long as the gate motor is parallel with your steel sliding gate. Just going to move to the back to show you guys, just give you another angle from the back here. So it needs to be parallel, and it must be upright, must be level. I'm quite pedantic about it. And then the other thing that I just want to quickly show you, we use steel rail and we join them by welding them, the two sections together. If it's a 6-meter gate, we will join 3 sections, and we use this small short piece of steel rack to line up the steel tracks, the ras racks, steel racks, in order to weld them together. So if you have a banana-like rail that's from the right to the left, that's fine. But if it's from the left going to the right and it pinches there, you're going to struggle to adjust it on the steel sliding gate. So a bow to the right is a little bit more better than the other way around. Cool. Gate motors on, steel gate rail, been welded into position with the correct spacing. Brackets is 400 millimeters apart. We've supported the steel sliding gate on the reverse side because horizontal bars are not sturdy. If you're not well versed in welding steel, then we would advise that you don't try to weld a steel rack. You're just going to cause yourself some headaches. Rather give us a call. We've been doing it for 20 years. By now we know what we're doing. And we don't take shortcuts, guys. We don't take shortcuts. I'd rather be the whole day on a site knowing everything is 100% than trying to do a rush job and just move off. After connecting power to the power supply of the gate motor, check your battery charging voltage to make sure that your gate motor is charging at a correct charging voltage. Just coming back to the new anti-theft bracket of Centurion on the Smart sliding gate motors. The thieves have been kicking the gate motors off from their steel bolts, so the new anti-theft bracket has steel brackets which are bolted down on the gate motor, and the anti-theft bracket slides into these slots. You just quickly line it up. Okay, right. zoom it back out. So the new anti-thefts and the brackets, anti-theft slides through the ears. That's to prevent a quick theft of the gate motor. So these steel plates needs to be fitted. Cool. All done. Centurion D5 Evo Smart gate motor installation here in Sebokeng. Let's quickly test it. Gate motor standing dead still while operating the steel sliding gate. Let's have a closer look. It's got a Centurion anti-theft bracket fitted onto it. We've got 9 brackets on this gate, which is 4 meters long. And we've also activated pedestrian mode on a remote. You can adjust the opening size of the pedestrian gate, and you can set the auto close time on the pedestrian gate as well. Just wait for it to close. There we go. All done. Another great gate motor installation. Another happy client. Thanks for all of the support, guys. Much appreciated.